Hey guys, check natin 'tong bago ko na-discover from Blue Wow. So this is a sound card headphones. So ito yan guys, meron na siyang kasamang wind muff, yung foam ng mic, and yung kanyang bag na kasama which is the case for this sound card na headphones. So ito yon, meron na siyang hard case. Pwede niyo na 'to gamitin sa mga device niyo na naka Type C. So ano bang special dito sa sound card headphones? Una, sound card na siya, hindi mo na kailangan mag-setup ng sound card and microphone kasi andito na siya, two-in-one na siya, headphones na siya, and sound card na rin siya at the same time. Meron siyang mga different sound variations like yung normal voice which is gamit ko. Pwede rin yung recording studio, concert halls, yung KTV, yung male to female voice, female to male voice, and also yung monster sound. So lahat ng yun nasa sound card pero kinompres lahat yun dito lang sa sound card na headphones. Maganda rin siya gamitin for calls and meetings and napakaganda ng quality niya at the same time plug and play lang siya kaya madali lang yung setup. Puwede rin natin siya gamitin for content creation. Maganda 'to dahil adjustable din yung kanyang gain or yung pinaka-volume ng microphone. So, flexible 'to kung malakas yung boses niyo or medyo nahihinaan din kayo sa boses niyo. Puwede tayong mag-connect ng another phone natin, Bluetooth, para doon tayo magpe-play ng mga music and at the same time puwede natin siya sabayan para magiging karaoke siya. So, yun lang naman for this video and if you're interested in getting this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more. Thank you.